next election, if they give BJP 35, at least 33 will form our own government. You will see that time milk and honey will come and Meghalaya will be changed. ILP also will get in 5 minutes. With 5 minutes, if we have our own government, full-fledged BJP government. Eastern state ruling BJP ruling state. Wow, what the milk and honey. They are getting lots of different kind of schemes, and the student scholarship or the internship of the students, the benefits of the students, so many schemes. So I was very surprised also the wisdom of the electorates of Nagaland, especially the youth, the students, all educated people, you know, being a state having 98% Christian. But we are having 13, we want 13 MLA, BJP MLA. And Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister of the Nagaland government is the BJP. So this will be an example. Now see Nagaland, their students are enjoying a big amount of scholarship with all the package, the facilities, the development, and everything. So this will be a good sample to the electorates of Meghalaya state also, that if you go to the villages, the remote area also, after 70 years of Congress ruling, this is the first government where there are plenty of schemes